Hello guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, you only have one job right now, is to vote for the person you want to see winning the 2 million rand. You can't love two people. It is highly impossible. I see people want to save Bravo B and Tracy. You know very well you love Bravo B. Why don't you vote for Bravo B? Same as Thandeka and Melly. You know very well that you want Thandeka to win the 2 million rand, but you are busy voting for Melly. For what reason? I'm not saying you should not vote for Melly. Yes, I do want to see Bravo B in top 5. If you want to see Bravo B in top 5, you need to vote for Bravo B. If you want to see Tracy in top 5, you need to vote for Tracy. If you want to see Liam, I love Liam's fan base, guys. One thing about Liam's fan base, they are very selfish. They understand the assignment. They are only focusing on Liam. Even though Liam and Didi are very close. Check Didi. She was on bottom 3. And if you look at Liam and Didi, you will say, wow, Liam's fans, they can save Didi. Yes, Liam's fans is very strong. They can save Didi, but they don't have time because they understand they need to make sure Liam wins that 2 million rand. You have seen, guys, the competition is tough. Things are no longer the same. So anyway, guys, let me tell you what is happening. So, guys, Thandeka makes history, guys. Thandeka, she becomes the housemaid with the highest number of nominations in Big Brother Mzansi history. They've tried to send her home 43 times and she's still standing. Since day one, Thandeka, guys, the people have been nominating Thandeka. If Thandeka, she's been nominating for the 3 times, it means that OQ, because OQ also has been standing from day one. Some people are saying even Didi, you know what, she's been standing from day one. I'm not sure about Liam because I started focusing on Big Brother around February, guys. When it comes to Liam, I don't know what is happening. So, guys, 43 times she's still standing, guys. Even Q, guys, Thandeka and Q, you know, even yesterday when people were nominating, Liam nominated Umile and Thandeka, Didi, Umile and Thandeka, Trace, Umile and Thandeka, Don, Umile and Thandeka. They thought Bravo B will play, guys. One thing about Bravo B was like, say no more. King Wanda and Don. UQ was like, King Wanda, he was like Bravo B and Don. So people are happy. Uguti, Bravo B nominated Don, guys. They want the King Wanda and Don to go home. So guys, it is what it is. Your eyes, they are color namhlanje, guys. So you may continue voting for your favorite, guys. Stop sharing votes. It is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.